guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shannon Ashley here. Today I am super excited because we are going to be unboxing the second product that will be in your fall CAUSEBOX. Now, if you guys are new to CAUSEBOX, like I am to the CAUSEBOX fam, I want to give you guys a little background on what exactly is the CAUSEBOX and what you can expect to find in. So the CAUSEBOX, or your CAUSEBOX, is a quarterly subscription-based box. So you won't be getting it monthly, but you'll be getting it 4 times a year, which I feel like is pretty sustainable in itself, because monthly subscription boxes, you kind of feel like you're accumulating a lot of products without being able to use them as quickly. So 4 times a year gives you enough time to use and love your products or even share them. So I think that is pretty cool that it's quarterly instead of monthly. So why it's called CAUSEBOX is because everything inside of here has some sort of cause, whether it was made with a cause ethically or sustainably, or whether the products support a cause. So one of the products today that could possibly be featured in your CAUSEBOX is a product where the funds go to support a cause. So I'm super excited to share that with you. But first, let's just check out the packaging in this box. So I'm super impressed with the packaging. Beautifully designed with women from all different races and backgrounds, super diverse, and every CAUSEBOX gets a different packaging, so you can keep these boxes throughout the year to store things. I definitely think I can see myself putting like just fun things I found from over the year, or journals, planners inside of this box in my closet. So super cute. So I know you guys are wondering, especially if you're new here, is how much does this puppy cost? So your CAUSEBOX will run you about $50, again, 4 times a year, but you're gonna get 6 to 8 products that equal up to $250. So if you order a box throughout the whole entire year, that's $1,000 worth of product for less than $200. What a steal. I think that is pretty cool. But if you stay tuned to the end, I'm going to tell you how to save even more money on your first CAUSEBOX. So let's just get into what could possibly be in here. So I got super excited and already opened it and took the products out, but I do want to show you what the box looks like when you do open it. So again, it's not just pretty on the outside, super pretty on the inside too, and it came with this really cute tissue paper as well. Again, I wanted to take the products out just so that you guys don't have to see me unpackage them and everything. Last week's spoiler, the first product that you guys saw that will be in your fall CAUSEBOX is the PMD facial cleansing brush. So this is a smart facial cleansing brush. It has the brush on the top, the massager on the bottom. So the massager will really get into those pores, you know, and help lift the skin. And it also will help massage your certain skin products into your skin, which is such a plus, really get in there. And then the top, of course, is where you want that deep pore cleansing brush. So this has about 7,000 vibrations per minute. Hello. It's made out of silicone, can be used for all skin types, and of course it is cordless. So this retails in itself at about $99, and you guys already are saving money by having this in your CAUSEBOX. If you order the CAUSEBOX quarterly, you will either get a random color of purple, steel blue, or navy, and then if you order annually, you'll get to choose what color you want. Okay, on to week 2 spoiler alert. So you will either get one of these 2 products. So this one is actually my favorite and the one I would choose if I was an annual member, and that is the set of the 3 nesting bowls. So this is by Pepper and Vetiver. I probably didn't say that right, sorry. But these are 3 nesting bowls that you can use for whatever you want: salad, soup, dessert, cereal. Again, you guys, I told you I already unboxed it. If you guys are really into seeing me take it out the box, let me know. But I wanted to make this a little quicker. So of course you have the cute bowl that you can use for salad. Your bowl you can use for soup and cereal, and then I would use this one for dessert. Kidding, even though depending on the day I probably would. But I just love like the design of it. These were actually designed in-house by a woman named Erin Wolf, and she designed them specifically for CAUSEBOX. So that's something cool, is that a lot of these products CAUSEBOX pairs up with the designer, so they're super exclusive, limited edition if you're into that. But this is actually the one I would choose, just because I've been dying to get some new salad bowls and I really like the design. It goes with nothing in my kitchen, but that's just how about the design I am, so I love it. Also, it's just really aesthetically pleasing to see the bowls go from like the green, the blue, green, and then to the all blue. I think that's so cute. So again, like we mentioned for the cause, so more than 130 million girls are out of school worldwide. This product supports the Malala Fund, which is a non-profit that works to ensure every girl can work and lead. So it's really cool knowing that your money is going towards something you get and also helping others. And just because I don't think I said it, these are microwave and dishwasher safe as well, so they're gonna last. All right, the next product that you can choose from, which I know a lot of people are gonna be super excited about, and this was kind of a hard one for me to choose too. So this next one, super cool, and it was kind of hard for me to choose the bowls over this one, but I really just wanted some bowls. But this next one is super cool because the inside is made out of recycled water bottles, and that is a purse. This is vegan fox leather, of course, because everything is sustainably made, and it is by Pixie Mood. It is the alley tote. Super cute to just wear anywhere, throw in, like you can turn this into, like, I don't know, I'm from California, so you can wear it to run errands if you're going to the beach. I really like the pouch inside because you can throw in all the small stuff and not have to like constantly like dig in for it in your purse. And then once you throw it in, it just automatically makes the purse look bigger. It has a zipper at the top, so you guys can see. And then it also has a little slit inside. Yeah, it has a little slit inside for you to hold other small stuff too. So super cute, feels super sustainable, and actually feels really good, like it's going to last. And if you're an annual member, you can choose which color you want, but if you are a quarterly member, you will be surprised with either the black, the beautiful sage, or this honey color. This honey color is super hot too, especially for the fall. You can pair it up with like chestnut, black, tan. Maybe tan's doing too much, but I love all of these three colors. I think they did an awesome job, and I love how sustainable these bags are. But I think for fall, I definitely go with the black because it's just so easy to just throw on with anything, and it's just perfect shoulder bag. Like, what? So I just went online. These retail between $50 to $70 depending on the color and if it's not on sale. So again, with your CAUSEBOX, you've already saved money because you will definitely be getting your PMD cleansing brush, or you'll be getting your cute purse, or your set of nesting bowls. So comment down below letting me know which one you guys would choose. I'm still sticking with the nesting bowls because I love to eat, but this is also super cute too. This week's spoilers. You will either get the purse or the nesting bowl, and you already have the PMD cleansing brush in your CAUSEBOX already. So super excited, super savings already, and we're not even through all of the products that will be in the fall CAUSEBOX. That's gonna be super exciting. Stay tuned for more spoilers as well. But since you guys stayed so long, I wanted to share with you guys my promo code, which is Shannon20, and you can use that to save 20% off your first CAUSEBOX. I hope you guys enjoyed me reviewing this week's spoilers in the fall CAUSEBOX. Again, packaging is just to die for. I'm so obsessed with it. So make sure you stay tuned to see what is going to be next week's spoiler for the CAUSEBOX. I'm super excited to share with you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.